the President of Laser Medicine Foundation, ROC, and the President of the World Federations of Societies for Laser Medicine and Surgery, I would like to congratulate the Asian Pacific Laser Institute, APLI, on organizing a very important international congress concerning clinical and scientific aspects in photobiomodulation, PBM, in Taipei, Taiwan, during October 28 to 30, 2022. Because the pandemic of COVID-19 is still very severe around the world, we will hold the international meeting in dual form, physical meeting in Taipei and online meeting internationally. We hope the pandemic could slow down as soon as possible so that we could hold the physical meeting in the near future. This time, the APLI invited many famous domestic and international specialists in PBM. The Congress would be a very important platform not only to exchange on clinical experience and advanced research, but also to improve the friendships and bond of our laser family. May the Congress be successful, and wishing all the participants happiness and good health from Ming-Chien, Taipei, Taiwan. Thank you.